Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll work with you step by step through each of the ABRSM theory grades. There's loads of resources available to help you. If you visit my website, if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets. They're available in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of the series. I'll be making frequent reference to those, so do access those. There's also a page which links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also access information about the books that I have available. If it is that you're working to take in this exam, I've written a book, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam, and it's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to best make use of the time when you're actually sitting in the exam room. So if you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there to help you. If you can give me a like, that would be fab, and subscribe to my channel so you keep updated, and that way you won't be missing out. There's loads more to come. I'm really enjoying this. I hope that you are too. We're going to crack on now and continue with the minor scales. And so if you turn in your workbook to page 18, we're going to carry on with those scales. And also turn in your PDF sheet to section F. And then that'll just help you. You can keep looking up all the information there. We're carrying on with the harmonic and melodic minor scales. And so exercise 2 asks us to write out these scales using the rhythms shown. So that's one part we've got to do. We've got to add correct key signatures. It says, but do not use any unnecessary accidentals. However, you will have to add some as the scale dictates. So the first thing, just let's warm up to things, and we'll just map out our bar lines. I always say make sure that you keep your bars aligned, and that way you're not going to lose track of where you are or run out of space. So we're going to have to write an A minor scale. We're going to do the harmonic form, and it's going to be descending. So we need to start on an A that's high up so that we're not going to be running out of space. You're going to have to use ledger lines one way or another. There we are, we've got the blobs in place, the note head. So we've started on an A, line, space, and so all the way down, and we finished on an A, so we know we've not gone wrong. It's said to add a key signature. However, if you remember, A minor is related to C major, so there will be no key signature. So that's that job done with no effort at all. So we want our time signature now. And so we've now got to think about making this the harmonic minor form. And if you remember, the harmonic minor has a raised 7th degree of the scale. Remember, we're starting on the 8th and coming down, so it's 8, 7. So it's going to be a G sharp. And now all we've got to do is add our stems. Remember, the stems come down once they've gone beyond that middle line. So we've got to just change the direction of the stems. And just make sure this one can go either way. I'm going to turn that one up so that this last one doesn't feel quite so lonely, because that would be the only one going up. But this one can go either way. And there we go, that's done. So if you just take it a step at a time and just deal with things in a systematic order, you won't get too confused, and just deal with it a little bit at a time. It's always about breaking questions down into manageable chunks. So have a go at these next 3 exercises. Press pause, use your sheet to help you. Everything you need to know is here. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake, you're only ever writing in pencil. You can always rub out and try again. And then re-access into the video once you've had a go. So I'm hoping that you've had a little go of this on your own. It's always better to learn by your mistakes and try your own method. Don't just copy me. It won't sink in quite so thoroughly if you just copy. Okay, so let's just think about the blobs first of all. Let's just take it a stage at a time. We're going to go D major descending. So I'm going to start on this high D above middle C. Keeping my notes aligned so I don't get lost where I am. Line, space, line, space. bass. Coming down in step. I've ended on D, Good Boys Deserve, so I know that's right, I've not gone wrong somewhere. I think I'm going to do the stems now, just do all the things that I don't need to think about. Just warm up to it gradually. There we go. Okay, so we're going to have to start thinking a little bit now. So it's asked us to use the correct key signature, and if you remember, D minor is related to F major, so we need a key signature of B flat. So we're in the bass clef, so there's our B flat. Time signature can go in now. And so to make this descending, the descending version uses the notes of the relative major only, so there are no more accidentals needed to add. That's complete. They haven't asked us to show semitones in this one, so we don't need to worry about that. Let's press on to the next one. If you take it a stage at a time, it's not really that difficult. So we're in treble clef and we're going to do an E scale, an E minor scale. So we'll start on E, a low E, and we're going to get higher. And don't forget this rest at the end. Oh, that went a bit wobbly. That'll do. Oops. Okay, I think I'll do the stems now. So now here we need to decide which way the stems go. This one could go either way. However, these next two need to come down. So this one's kind of been outvoted and it needs to come down really to suit those. There we go. Okay, so we need to perhaps pay attention a little bit now. So E minor in all its forms is related to G major, which has F sharps in the key signature. So there's that. Time signature now. And then the harmonic minor, if you remember, has to have a raised seventh. So 8, 7, it's got a D sharp. There we go, that's that one. Job done. So this last one now. Quickly get that one done. So we're on A minor ascending, so we need to start on a low note A. So we'll go here, all Celtic grass, so there's an A. So just keeping it in step so I don't lose track where I've got to. Yeah, we've ended up in the right place, so that's okay. I think I'll do the stems now. These stems are going to have to go up, triplet sign, down, so these can all come down now. Now A minor in all its forms is related to C major, which has a key signature of nothing, so that's easily dealt with. But then the melodic minor ascending has a raised 6th and 7th, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raised 6th, the natural becomes the sharp. Raised 7th, the natural becomes the sharp. Finishing on the 8th. There we go. And so that's it. Just using the scales that we did in grade 2, we're now going to start working with the new key signatures, taking us up to 4 sharps or 4 flats. However, first of all, let's just have a look at the structure of the scales. It actually itemises. If you just turn over the page as well, you can see it's going to show us all of those scale patterns that are new to this grade. And it's asking us to just draw in the semitones. So the first answer is given to us here, and we know from the previous grade that the harmonic minor is 2 to 3, 5 to 6, 7 to 8. The melodic minor is 2 to 3 is a semitone, 7 to 8 is a semitone as we ascend, and then coming back down 8, 7, 6 to 5, 4, 3 to 2. And so once you've worked it out for that first scale pattern, it's really easy to now just add it into the next ones. You can just see harmonic minor 2 to 3, 5 to 6, 7 to 8. So melodic minor ascending 2 to 3, 7 to 8. and then descending 8, 7, 6 to 5, 3 to 2. So if you want to just press on now and work through the rest of those on exercise 3, page 19, and we can just copy the template and then press pause, have a go at that yourself, and then we'll just press through that together once you've had a go. So I'm just going to crack on now with these. So the harmonic minor is 2 to 3, 7 to 8. So we can just do that on all of these. By all means use a ruler if you want to be totally sure that you're neat. 2 to 3, 7 to 8. And then the melodic minor ascending. Oh, I've missed some. I'm doing harmonic 5 to 6, 7 to 8. Better just check. There we go. Right, now melodic minor ascending is 2 to 3, 7 to 8. There we go. 2 to 3, 7 to 8. 2 to 3, 7 to 8. And then descending version is 8, 7, 6 to 5, 3 to 2. 8, 7, 6 to 5, 3 to 2. 6 to 5, 3 to 2. 6 to 5, 3 to 2. There we go. I hope that's been helpful to you. If you can give me a like, if you've enjoyed that, that'd be great. Subscribe to my channel so that you keep updated. There's loads more in store. Please do go to sharonbill.com, make use of all the information that's there. There's lots there to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.